Can you explain again the tables cannot modify multiple tables through view?
See, in this view, I have columns from two tables. Yes or no?
Yes,
if I'm trying to insert and trying to provide value of all the three columns, department name, employee name, and salary, right? So if this insert has to work, it has to insert department name in the department table and employee name and salary in the employee table. This will not work because this insert is at a time impacting two base tables. This insert at the same time is impacting two base tables. That's why I'm getting an error that cannot modify more than one base table through a join view.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But if you are inserting only data for one table, name and salary, this will work because you're inserting data only in one base table. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So if you are going to write a delete will never work on a join table. Why? Because delete has to delete data from both the tables at the same time.
Both the tables, right.
So delete will never work on the join view. Okay? This will always fail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because for it has to work, it has to delete data from both the base tables, so it will never work. Cannot delete from a join view. Okay? So if the view is written on a join, it will never work.
Views don't work on joins. Okay.
What you are saying, man?
Okay, sir.
Did I say view does not work on a join? Did I say view does not work on a join? I said delete does not work on a view with join. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Delete will not work if it's a join view. View, we can always work on a join. You will always write joins in the views, right? Most of the cases. So that's what, guys, in your interviews, make sure you are very thorough with what you are saying. If you say view will not work with joins, the moment you tell me that answer in the interview, I'll not even waste my another second on you. I'll simply reject you. I'll not even bother asking you next question. Remember this. That's how interviews work these days. The person who's taking the interview will be busy, and if you answer one question wrong, like a stupid answer, you are rejected upfront. The other person will find only one reason to reject you, and will has to find 100 reasons to select you in this kind of environment.